Due to a steady rise in COVID-19 cases in Chhattisgarh, the state government ordered that offline classes in colleges and universities to be stopped with immediate effect, and also set an attendance cap for academic and non-academic staffers in these institutions. The state's higher education department in its order asked the colleges to conduct the first and second semester exams of all courses online or in a blended mode. The state government has already shut schools in those districts where the positivity rate of COVID-19 infection is 4% or above. Following that order, schools have been shut in several districts including the state capital, Raipur.